Steve Cordero with Wind Systems here. Wanted to do a quick video on how to add new equipment into the system. First thing you're going to go to is the purchasing menu. You click on purchasing, click on purchase order. From here, you're going to add a new item. Going to search for the account you're going to use. We're going to search for vendor V&E equipment. Going to pick that vendor. Going to pick the transaction type, which is going to be new PO. You can reference here. I'm going to go ahead and reference John Wayne Airport job site. Hit OK. From here, we're going to go to the product. I'm going to add a product. I'm going to search for an item code. It's going to be, let's just say, vehicle. Go ahead and use the pickup truck vehicle code. Going to ask you for a quantity. Go ahead and pick that quantity. Price. Let's just say $75,000. You can add a discount here if you want to. You can put sales tax, use tax, freight, things like that if you needed to. Down here you want to put order date's going to be today, and then the promise date's going to be today, just for an example. But let's just say the vendor says they can have it to you in 3 months. You could put that information there. From here, you're going to close that. You've added the item to the purchase order, and you're going to close that. And that's pretty much the PO. You can view it, print it. I'm going to go ahead and view it. There it is right there. Purchase order. That's pretty much it. From a purchase order perspective, you've got purchase order open 919 for PO reference John Wayne Airport. Or you could put a reference number there if you want to. Just depends on what you're looking for. But that's all you need to do for that. Now, once you're done with that and you need to receive your goods, you go back to the purchasing menu. Goods in from purchase order, which you're going to pick. From here, you're going to add a new. You're going to search for your purchase order number by the account. If you have the account number, fine. If not, you can search the vendor. Pick the vendor. Look. See what POs they have open. Here's my reference for that 919 PO number document that I created for the John Wayne Airport. I'm going to go ahead and pick that and then go into the order. So from here, you got to go to notes. If you need any notes, put any notes in there, you can do that. Then you want to go to the lines, put in the quantity that you're going to receive, which is 1. And that's pretty much it. Hit yes. But you got to go into the sublines, right? So from here, you can't just receive it. You got to add some stuff to it, right? So you go to the sublines. It's going to be various things that you need, right? You want to add some sublines to this. So first of all, you want to put a quantity in. You want to put the status you want it in. Maybe it needs a inspection, which is normally when it comes in. You got to put in a bin location if you have a bin location you want to put it in. And this could be set up in implementation. You also want to put a reference number. Again, John Wayne Airport, just to keep references there. You can put a registration number if you wanted to. You could put the warranty expiration, which is going to be, let's just say 3 years from now. And then your manufacturers, let's just put today for manufacturing, right? From here, you want to put any text line. So if you want to put the reference. You don't have to, but you can put a make. Let's just say Ford model F-150, color is white. Cab is double. And license plates if you want to say that. Pretty much it. Holding reference. Subline. Not set. Reference for subline. Put a reference number here for your subline. Close that. Now you've completed that process. You've added all the pertinent information for that piece of equipment, serial numbers, things like that. Once you're done with that, you save it. And again, you're going to have a option to preview. There's your purchase order. There's your goods in. You can preview that goods in receipt. There you are. You've got a serial number, E-code for your pickup truck, and you've received that piece of equipment in. And from there, you're completed with adding equipment to the inventory. It's that simple. Hope this helps. Thank you. Have a good one.